Everything is in your hand. Right now, situation. Wait. We will start from beginning. When and where we born. Nothing was in our hand. We grew up by parents look after and started walking with their care. Nothing was in our hand. We grew up and started study in a school and completed basic study. That's beginning time. Nothing was in our hand. But when completed our matriculation, everything came in our hand because fathers gave suggestion and said, do what you like to do. We started secondary education. Everything was in our hand. We could be a topper in college. If you were, that's great. We started graduation. Everything in our hand. We might be a university topper. Now we started real life. Everything is in our hand. You can find your purpose of life, which for you came in the world. Take your right decision according to your ability, passion, desire, and most important, take decision by your heart, because now everything is in your hand. This decision will describe your life destination, because what we did in past, the result is right now, and what we are doing in present, that will be describe our future, because everything in our hand. You can decide that where you want to be in your life. Take your time and make up your mind. Don't blame others for your time, what's right now, or any problems, because it's your fault. So now is the time to change everything in your life. Now is the time to take right decision and big decision and work on it. Keep going ahead. Don't give up. Just try again and fight again. I'm sure one day you will be before your destination, because everything in your hand. If still nothing worked, then reboot your life from beginning. If you want to 100% success, then have to start from zero. And correct if something went wrong, rearrange everything in life, because everything is in your hand. I hope one day everything will be on right track and you will be reach your destination of life successfully.